Algorand cost pretty equivalent to $0.1625 a coin, or so they generally thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.1609-0.1655, which in every practical sense is very huge. The earlier day close, 0.1622, exhibiting how Algorand cost in every practical sense, equivalent to $0.1625 a coin, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change essentially was plus 0.0003, plus 0.18%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Opposite rate, USD to ALGO, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.16. Lovely most extreme 0.17, by and large least 0.15 in a kind of significant manner. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.16, kind of most extreme 0.17, kind of least 0.15 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.15, sort of most extreme 0.16, really least 0.14 amazingly. Algorand gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.15, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.16, genuinely least 0.14 in a really significant way. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $0.15, most extreme 0.16, essentially least 0.14, showing how especially opposite rate, USD to ALGO in a fundamentally huge way. In multi-week Algorand estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $0.14, genuinely greatest 0.15, essentially least 0.13, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.14, by and large greatest 0.15, all things considered, least 0.13 in an unpretentious way. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.14, by and large greatest 0.15, truly least 0.13 in a sort of significant manner. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.14, especially most extreme 0.15, certainly least 0.13 incredibly. Algorand estimate on Friday, May 26, cost $0.14, essentially greatest 0.15, sort of least 0.13, or so they certainly thought. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.14, by and large most extreme 0.15, beautiful least 0.13 in an unpretentious way. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.14, especially greatest 0.15, least 0.13, showing that today, S exchange cost range, 0.1609-0.1655, which by and large is very critical. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.14, sort of most extreme 0.15, by and large least 0.13 incredibly. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.14, certainly greatest 0.15, certainly least 0.13, which essentially is very huge. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $0.14, truly most extreme 0.15, exceptionally least 0.13 in a truly significant way. In 3 weeks Algorand conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.14, genuinely most extreme 0.15, lovely least 0.13. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.14, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.15, genuinely least 0.13, which explicitly is very huge. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.14, sort of greatest 0.15, exceptionally least 0.13 in a kind of large manner. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.14, especially most extreme 0.15, fundamentally least 0.13, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost $0.14, for the most part greatest 0.15, sort of least 0.13, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about a month Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, in every practical sense, least 0.13, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.14, especially most extreme 0.15, kind of least 0.13 in an unpretentious way. USD to ALGO conversion standard in every practical sense, equivalent to 6.1538 coins per $1. Fundamentally further appearance how Algorand value sort of equivalent to $0.1625 a coin, which essentially is very huge. Today, S reach 6.0423 minus 6.2150, which generally is genuinely huge. The past day, S nearby 6.1652 in every practical sense, enormous way. Change for now 0.0114, 0.18%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. USD to ALGO cost figure for, in the not so distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, May 15, cost 6.250 coins. Truly most extreme 6.667, by and large least 5.882, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. USD to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 6.250 coins. Exceptionally most extreme 6.667, genuinely least 5.882 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost 6.667 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 7.143, genuinely least 6.250 amazingly. USD to ALGO expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 6.667 coins. Truly most extreme 7.143 in every way that really matters. Least 6.250, showing how Algorand cost exceptionally equivalent to $0.1625 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Algorand figure on Friday, May 19, cost 6.667 coins. Really greatest 7.143, truly least 6.250. In multi-week USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 7.143 coins. In every way that really matters. Greatest 7.692, kind of least 6.667. Showing how Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.14. Especially most extreme 0.15, least 0.13 in a very huge way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost 7.143 coins. For the most part greatest 7.692, really least 6.667 and in every practical sense, significant way. USD to ALGO expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost 7.143 coins. Especially most extreme 7.692, kind of least 6.667 in a fundamentally significant manner. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost 7.143 coins. Greatest 7.692, beautiful least 6.667. USD to ALGO expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 7.143 coins. Especially greatest 7.692, certainly least 6.667, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 7.143 coins. Kind of greatest 7.692, beautiful